don't we take a look at these interesting photos and different topics and themes, alright? Let's talk about them. First photo! Oh! Check it out here. Okay, now this actually is from the play Touching the Void. It's one of the most popular books we have right here, and this reminds us that you are a theater actor. You see, guys, the theater actor, he has the looks, the charm, and the talent. Killer combo. Okay, now we heard that this play was based on the books, just like what we mentioned a while ago, but without spoiling too much, can you share with us this story?
터칭 더 보이드는 산악가 조 심슨과 사이먼 H의 생존 실화입니다.
Ito po ay isang survival story of mountaineers named Joe Simpson and Simon Yates.
1985년 시울라이란드에 서벽을 최초로 등반하던 중 경사 90도가 넘는 얼음절벽에서 떨어지면서 산악가 조 심슨이 다치고 그래서 휘부르고 터칭 더 보이드를 원작으로 바탕으로 한 연극이에요.
Ito po ay isang play based on the memoir of Touching the Void, mountaineer Joe Simpson, who fell in a steep ice crevasse while attempting the first ascent of the Ciula Grandes West Face in 19.
Wow, well, perfect. You're a mountaineer here, di ba? Saktong-sakto. Inakit mo na yung puso namin. Okay, out of curiosity, I know you are a good actor. How did you prepare for this role of Joe Simpson?
실제 산악가 선생님을 만나서 조언과 그리고 로프를 쓰는 방법 등 또 얼음 도끼를 사용하는 방법들을 숙지하고 그리고 진짜 조난당한 선생님을 만나서 그때의 심정과 고통을 얘기 듣고 연습을 하고 구현을 했습니다.
Na-meet ko talaga po yung professional mountaineer para po malaman paano gamitin yung mga materials, paano mag-akyat sa mountain. At he was able to study a lot of references of this as well para lang i-perfect po ang theater art na.
Such a professional, no? Really understanding his character, his role, and what did the viewers learn from this play?
극 중에서 조 심슨이 조난을 당하면서 다리를 다쳐요. 그리고 포기하지 않고 끝까지 살아서 산을 내려갑니다. 인생이랑 마찬가지로 포기하지 않고 누군가의 응원 혹은 누군가를 생각하면서 끝까지 하는 게 중요한 것 같아요. 여러분들도 어딘가 힘든 일이 있거나 또 고통스러운 일이 생겼을 때 나를 위한, 나를 응원해주는 누군가를 생각하면서 포기하지 않는 건 어떨까요? 저한테는 팬분들이 그렇습니다.
Sa film po dito kasi, nag-injure po si Joe Simpson. He hurt his leg. Tapos he tries his best to come up on the mountain and to survive and challenges himself. And Kim Sano says, just like Joe Simpson himself, he wants everyone here, even though whatever you guys are going through, whatever challenges you have in life, he wants that you keep pushing, don't give up until you achieve what your goal is and what you want to achieve.
Perfect, beautiful answer coming from Son Ho-shi. And actually, coming from all the Son Ho-radas who are right here, everyone has those struggles in life, and we just want to thank you because you are with us in those obstacles. So thank you. But I mentioned this a while ago during our press conference this morning. There are actors, yes, and there are storytellers, and Kim Son-ho is a storyteller. How did your training in theater help you as a film and TV actor?
지금처럼 무대 위에서 관객과 만나면서 호흡을 하고 제가 연습하고 그리고 또 무대 위에 올라갔을 때 연기하는 것을 확인하는 작업을 같아요. 그러면서 지금 제가 하고 있는 것이 맞는지 혹은 조금 다른지 그런 걸 관객으로 하여금 이 소통이라고 하죠. 공감하는 스킬을 익혔습니다.
Just like what he is doing right now on stage, he is building a chemistry between the audience and himself, right? So he keeps doing this just to make sure that what he's doing is right and to also be at the perspective of the audience para lang malaman kung may ginawa siyang mali or is there anything else to improve on as an actor.
You know what's happening right now? This is chemistry, okay? And what you're doing, actually, everything that you do is right. Okay, now we move. Okay, all right. Now actually we move to the second photo, and before we, that photo. Okay, before we talk about that photo, let me announce the winners who will be right here on the stage. We got 405-6531, excuse me, sir. And then 405-6283, again, that's 405-6531 and 405-6283. Okay? We'll be waiting for you. And our good boy is right here, just for you. Okay, let's talk about this beautiful man. In the picture. The child got great reviews from critics, especially because of your intense portrayal of the nobleman. It was so different. But how did you react when you found out that you were playing a role that is really different from your usual good boy characters?
일단 캐릭터를 함에 있어서 제가 그동안 해왔던 캐릭터들과 다르기 때문에 너무 제가 저 배우 김선호와 그 캐릭터가 동떨어지지 않았으면 좋겠다가 제 바람이었습니다. 일단 여기까지. 네.
Dahil iba po ang character niya, yung aside from good boy, sa The Child, iba po ang character niya. So he tried his best to see what he has to do, what is the gap between the original character na good boy and the character in The Child.
그러면서 위트 있는 귀공자가 어느 정도 저 배우 김선호랑 닮아 있었다라고 생각하고요. 그리고 사실 평론가분들이 좋은 얘기를 해주신 건 제 인생의 가장 큰 영광이고 배우로서의 가능성을 보였다고 생각하니까 정말 저한테는 이 귀공자, 더 차일드라는 역할이 너무 행복한 작품입니다.
Yung character po kasi, he was able to showcase things that the witty side of in the film The Child. Dahil maganda po ang critic, this is one of the best blessing that he can have in his life. At dahil dyan, he feels grateful para mas galing siya sa susunod na film.
Oh! I just wanna find out, sino hindi na nakapanood ng The Child? Taas kamay. I heard your character there was so dangerous, but one thing dangerous about this photo is your killer smile. Okay.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat too. Okay, but going back to your character, what inspired your characterization of this very charismatic and charming but dangerous individual that you portrayed?
일단 레퍼런스 중에 스탠리 큐브릭이라는 감독의 그 영화 중에 시계트와 오렌지 거기서 주인공이 레퍼런스를 삼아서 연기를 했고요. 거기서 영감을 많이 받았습니다.
He was able to look into a lot of reference. There was one specific movie.
스탠리 큐브릭, 시계트와 오렌지.
Sa English, 시계 태워.
오케이, 스탠리 큐브릭 무비.
Yun po ang reference niya. Doon po siya nakuha ng inspiration at motivation.
Yeah, at least we know the background and we can research more about that. That's what we will do later on. Okay? Pero again, my research actually is to announce the numbers once again, which are 405-6531. We would love to have you on the stage at 405-6531 and 405-6283. Alright? Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations again. Ayan na. In this Coliseum, in this station, you are one of our favorite actors ever. Ever. But we're just curious and we would love to ask you, who are your favorite actors?
저는 많은 선배님들을 존경합니다. 누구 한 명을 칭하지 않고요. 그분들의 한 걸음이 있기 때문에 우리 후배들이 조금 더 빨리 갈 수 있다라고 생각합니다. 모든 선배님들의 연기를 보고 공부했고 그분들에게 항상 존경과 감사함을 생각하고 있어요.
Marami po ang mga seniors sa industry na ito. Marami po great actors and actresses. Kaya wala po siyang favorite naman. Kasi dahil sa mga footsteps ng itong mga senior actors and actresses, they were able to learn from the mistakes and be better actors from learning from their footsteps.
You always have the best answers. See, he's not just our good boy, he's our best boy. Okay, now we know that you are a great actor, especially when it comes to rom-coms, action, thriller. But are there other roles in the future you would love to do? One you haven't played yet in your career as an actor?
제가 지금 스타트업 개발 차차차 또 그다음 귀공자 더 차일드 폭군 다음 막내인인데요. 그런 작품들을 하면서 이제 다시 한번 일상으로 돌아가서 가장 평범한 사람들 속에서 가장 특별한 순간을 연기해보고 싶습니다. 네.
Meron po siyang startup, meron po siyang Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha, The Child, and The Name, at iba pang films. Iba-iba po kasi ng characters ko doon sa films na ito. So gusto ko po pabalik po sa character na natural, ordinary, naive, innocent character.
Okay, I asked you this a while ago during the press conference, but is there a possibility of Kim Sun-ho becoming an MC or host in the future?
제가 타갈로그어를 더 연습해서 한다면 한번 도전해보도록 하겠습니다.
Unang-una, practice po ako ng Tagalog. After nun, I will try my best to become an MC.
If you need a teacher, you know who to call. Okay?
그러면 다음 벤치 만남 때는 행사 때는 조금 연습해서 한 코너 정도는 제가 MC를 보도록.
Sa susunod naman na event with Bench, practice po ako ng Tagalog and mag-prepare po ako sana ng isang segment only by Kim Sung-ho.
Yan! Pagdi! Sir Benchan, sabi niya, okay, we will do that. We will host a segment right here. Okay, but you know, you're a great actor indeed. Talking about movies, that's one of our favorite movies, The Child. What is your favorite movie of all time?
가장 좋아하는 영화는 더 잘? 제가 어렸을 때부터 좋아했던 영화입니다. 이폴리라는 영화인데 그 영화 굉장히 좋아했어요.
Ang favorite ko po, the movie ay The Child, with joke lang. Tapos sabi niya na he loved this movie ever since he was young, If Only.
I smell a remake in the future. Why not? Okay, well thank you for answering those questions regarding that photo. Now, why don't we have our next photo? Are you ready? For the benefit of everyone, can you recreate the same pose? Ladies and gentlemen, we give you a work of art. I'm so sorry. You have to do that. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Really a good boy. Okay, this photo is obviously from a photo shoot. Was this for a magazine or to promote a project?
더 차이들을 홍보하기 위해서 화보를 찍은 건데요. 화보 촬영 중에 저런 표정이 나왔네요. 근데 굉장히 작가님께서 잘 찍어주신 것 같아서 영광입니다.
Ito po is a picture from the photo shoot for the promotion of the child. Sa shoot mismo, magaling talaga po ang photographer. Kaya ganito po ang picture. I feel blessed.
We say thank you to the photographer, but the subject is perfect. Like for this photo shoot, Sonoshi, what makes it hard work for a model or a superstar like you?
일단 사람들 앞에서 많은 사람들 앞에서 작가님이나 뭐 이런 사람들 앞에서 저렇게 정색하면서 멋있는 포즈를 취하는 게 사실 아직까지도 쑥스럽습니다.
Actually, being a star or being an actor, having a photo shoot in front of photographers and then in front of a lot of people, it is kind of awkward and I'm still having a hard time posing.
Talaga? Talaga?
talaga. talaga. Talagang nahiya ako.
He's back here in the Philippines. Tama. Tama talaga, tama. Okay, we know that you are a model, innate model, but can you share with us what is your own style of dressing? What kind of clothes do you prefer to wear?
저는 편한 의상을 즐겨 입어요. 그래서 좀 오버하거나 혹은 좀 재질이 편한 옷을 입습니다. 근데 지금 제가 입고 있는 셔츠도 핏이 굉장히 편하고 좋죠. 그러면서 예쁜 옷이어서 벤츠를 입습니다.
I actually enjoy wearing comfortable clothes with a good fit, right? I enjoy wearing oversized shirts, you know, that is really perfect for my body. And I think that kind of clothing you can find in Bench.
So that's it. The chairman.
진짜 방금 전에 박수 좀 쳐주셨어요. 여러분 벤치하세요.
Chairman really clapped for him, so everyone, Bench, everyone.
Everyone bench hashtag. That's the official hashtag right now too. Okay. Well, we appreciate what you wear right now. Actually, we appreciate everything that you wear. Okay, but right now, why don't we move on to the next photo? Take a look. Huy! Let's talk about this photo. Now, one of your most well-known and well-loved features, it has to be your dimples. We have a prince of dimples right here. We got the dimple prince. Nabi ko kanina, madlang dimple eh. But have you always loved your dimples ever since?
어릴 적에 이게 조금 컴플렉스가 있어요. 놀라서 컴플렉스였는데 크고 나니까 배우가 되니까 많은 분들이 좋아주셔서 지금 자랑거리가 됐네요.
Actually, nung bata po ako, it was actually an insecurity because my friends tried to made it seem like an insecurity. At ngayon po, as an actor, a lot of people really appreciate and love my dimples. So now, I love it.
Well, we love them so much. See? Focus on the dimples. Tapos ang laban. Do you have any memorable stories or anecdotes about your beautiful dimples?
어릴 적에 친구가 이 보조개가 부러웠나 봐요. 그래서 어떻게 해야 되냐고 완전히 초등학생 때였을 거예요. 근데 놀리는 것 같았나 봐요. 제가 심적으로 아기 때니까. 그래서 나는 거기다가 뜨거운 걸 올려서 다쳤다고 얘기를 했던 것 같아요.
Yung bata po ako, I think it was elementary. I have this friend, nagselos po siya sa dimples ko. Pero akala ko, bilang isang bata, akala ko he's making fun of me. So I told my friend, I have dimples because I play something hot here. So it is actually an injury.
놀리는 것 같아가지고.
I thought that he was teasing me kasi sa dimples ko.
Well, for us, those are perfection. Okay? You are perfection. And now, okay, salamat talaga. Which actually makes everyone wonder, no? Filipinas, you're with me on this one. What can make those dimples of Kim Son Ho come out? Is it easy to make you smile?
저를 웃게 하는 건 너무 쉽습니다. 저 여기 나오는 순간부터 웃고 있었어요.
Actually, sobra madali po na matatawa ako. So, actually, even before entering the stage, I've been smiling. Kanina pa.
여러분들이 해주는 따뜻한 말 한마디, 응원들이 항상 웃게 해줍니다. 감사합니다.
All of your warm welcome, warm support, and passionate love for me makes me super happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, see? Big round of applause for Kim Son Ho! Well, we really hope to make you smile all throughout the evening because you make us smile, you make us happy. So right now,